Sometimes if your body lotion is not brightening you enough, is not lightening you enough, is not clearing that pigmentation, you don't need to change that body lotion. You can add body serums to it to actually make that particular body lotion very effective. And most importantly, for those of us that love to use Nivea body lotions, a lot of people love Nivea, but the point of the matter is Nivea is not going to lighten or brighten you or even help you with the smallest hyperpigmentation. Even if it's going to do that, it is going to take a very long time. Now, these body serums are body serums you can use with your body lotions to make it more effective, to make it to give you a better result, to make it to brighten, lighten, whiten your skin, as the case may be, depending the body lotion you are going to mix it with. So I have made a list of 7 effective brightening, lightening, whitening body serums. Now, these body serums work differently, which I'm going to explain to you and tell you the exact one to use according to the body lotion you are using and according to the results you want to get. Now, what you're going to do for me is to tell me the body lotion you are using and also the body serum you want to use it. Then I'm going to tell you the quantity you are going to mix with your body lotion. Do you understand? The body lotion you are using, the body serum you have chosen to use based on my explanation, okay, and the results you want it to give you. These 3 things, let me know in the comment section. Then I'm going to tell you how to mix it, because you don't just use this thing because, yeah, they are very, very potent. You need the correct measurements to actually mix into your body lotion. Okay, so that being said, let's go ahead. Remember to like, share, leave a comment. Yeah, positive vibes. Yeah, thank you. Now, the very first body serum on my list is one of my favorites that I always recommend to people that can afford it, and that is the Qei Paris body oil, body serum. Now, this particular body serum is super amazing. Now, I always recommend this particular body serum to people that can afford it, because right now it sells for, I think, 25K. Okay, it is because this particular body serum gives you a general skin glow. It gives you a general skin lightening, general skin brightening, depending on the quantity you use. One thing with body serums is the quantity you use depends on the result you are going to get. These are body serums that even a caramel skin person can use, but it all depends on the quantity. It all depends on the quantity you add into your lotion. So body serums give you the power to choose the complexion that you want. If you want it to give you 1 shade, 2 shades, the power is in your hand. All you need to do is to put the appropriate quantity into your body lotion. Do you understand? That's why I love body serums, for when it comes to lightening the skin and all of those things. Now, just like I said, this particular one is good. It is brightening, it is lightening, depending on the quantity you use, depending also on the body lotion you used it with. Do you understand? So this one is not harsh. It is not that harsh product. It doesn't burn the skin. It doesn't pepper the skin. No, it is not QEI plus Paris, unless you buy the fake one, obviously. But it is very gentle, and it is going to give you that total brightening. And this is something you can use on your face and on your body to achieve an even skin tone. That is, you can add a drop of it into your face cream, you know, and or just a little bit on your hands and apply it on your face. Do you understand? So that is the first one on my list. So just in case you don't know, I offer one-on-one skin consultation where I help you to build a sustainable skincare routine that is going to help you in your skin journey. So if you have any skin issues, you're having challenges building your routine, and you need help with any skin issues you are having, chat me up on WhatsApp and we'll take it from there. Please, this service is not free, but trust me, it is worth it. Now, the second one on my list is the Easy Glow Strong Gluta C Whitening Serum. Now, this particular one is super duper effective. Now, unlike the QEI Plus that works gradually, this particular one works actually very fast. It works very fast, but just like I said, if you limit the quantity, it will slow it down a bit. So the speed is in your hands. But with QEI, even if you pour the whole thing into your body lotion, it still doesn't give that fast result like that. But with this one, it works very fast. If you have used it before, let us know in the comment section. It works really fast because it is bombarded. It has at about 180,000 milligram of gluta C. So it is super duper effective. Now, this one is for people that want to get this white undertone. That is, you love this white undertone. You don't like yellow undertone. Like my fairness is yellow undertone. There are some fairness that is white undertone. So if you want a white undertone fairness, then you are going to go for this particular one. Now, the third one on my list is Easy Glow Super L Glutathione Plus Carrot Pure Lightening Toning Body Serum. Now, this one is the toning body serum. This one is the one that is going to give you that yellow undertone fairness. So if you want that yellow bright undertone fairness, then this is the one you are supposed to use. This one has argan oil, it has carrot oil, it has, some oils in it, plus glutathione obviously, but it is not as powerful as that cream one, but it is also active. But the thing is, the result is different. This one gives a white undertone fairness, this one gives a yellow undertone fairness. Please remember, before you buy these things, let me know the one you want to get, so I tell you how to mix it. Don't use these things, use it responsibly. Use it responsibly. Okay, now the fourth on my list is the Francose Bedon Unifying Serum. This one again is for people that are not on a budget. You want a very good body serum that is going to unify your skin complexion, that is going to clear spots, clear pigmentations on your body, and give you that unified, toned up skin. This one is not exactly that lightening. No. Do you understand? That's why from the beginning of this video I told you brightening, lightening, whitening. So this one falls under the brightening serum, section. It mostly just brightens your skin, but it goes beyond or above the normal brightening. Like, it really brightens your skin, but you won't say it lightens you like that unless you use it for a very long time. Do you understand? So on the prolonged with a prolonged use, it can really, really lighten you, but it doesn't lighten like that, because this particular product is made with natural fruits and flower extract. So it doesn't really have a lot of like glutathione and all of, no, it mostly has natural fruit extract, natural flower extract. Like, it is made from the natural herb, organic kind of thing, but it is still very beautiful. This is a body serum that people with ebony skin color can use. You have caramel skin, you have chocolate skin, you have fair skin, no matter your skin complexion, you can use this body serum to tone up your skin, to unify your skin complexion. So that's basically how this particular one works. Now, the fifth one on our list is another ginger. This one is another ginger that really, really works like fire. That is the Skin Dr. Paris Glow Intense Whitening and Correction Serum. This one really works because it has retinol, it has kojic acid, it has carrot extract. So it has a lot of amazing ingredients in it. Imagine retinol plus kojic plus carrot. So it's going from all around. You understand? It's inhibiting excess melanin production. It's giving your skin antioxidant benefits. It's exfoliating your skin. Like, it's doing a lot of things for you at the same time. So this is a very, very good one. For this one, because it has retinol, I would say people in their maybe 40s and 50s that want a body serum, you can actually go for this one because of the retinol that it has. So it can give you that anti-aging benefit also, to smoothen your skin and all of those things. So I would say this one, people that also want to smoothen their skin can also use this Skin Doctor, because anything that has retinol has a way of smoothing your skin texture, because retinol boosts skin cell turnover. Do you understand? Now, the sixth on my list is one of the most affordable ones, which is the Pure Carrot Gold Extra Whitening Serum. This one is also very good. It is affordable. I think it's about 6,000, 5,000 thereabouts. It is super affordable, but please, 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 if you are going to go for this one, let me know the lotion you are going to use with it. I know I'm repeating this thing. Okay, let me know the lotion you want to use with it, so I'll tell you the quantity you are going to add. Okay, so this one also is super duper effective. Now, the last one on my list is the Glutathione Injection Strong Whitening Serum. This one also is super duper strong. So these are body serums that you can add into your body lotion. Okay, you can add it into your body lotion. You can use it alongside your body lotion. There are some that it is compulsory that you mix into your body lotion. There are some that you can use after using your body lotion. Now, they want body serums like the Qei Paris Plus. You can finish applying your body lotion and then apply it on your skin. Just use few drops. It's actually lightweight. It glides through your skin very easily, so you don't need much. Okay, that's why it's in a small bottle. So that is for people that don't want to mix it. Okay, Qei Paris, the Francose Bedon, and which one again, Seth? I think it's only two of them. Yeah, just these two. These are the two that you can use topically on your skin. Okay, but these other ones, please do not use them topically on your skin. You need to mix them into the body lotion to dilute it. Body serums are not something you just carry and use. If not, you might start experiencing green veins, thinning of the skin, and all of those things. So that is why I am emphasizing, let me know the body lotion you want to use to mix it with. It is very important. So I will tell you if the body lotion you should actually mix it with it or not, because it's not every body lotion, honestly, that you need to add a serum into. A lot of people that have skin damage today, it is because they use a body serum. They mixed a body lotion with a body serum that they are not supposed to mix it with. So please let me know in the comment section the one you want to use, and then I will tell you exactly how you want to use it after asking you some questions in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and yeah, hope you have liked this video. Share this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to see you on our next one.